Hi to all employers in Hong Kong. Have a wonderful day. I am Sarah Jean Andres from Tangub City, Philippines. I am married, no children. I am a college graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Filipino. My height is 154 centimeter and my weight is 70 kilogram. My habits are singing, dancing, playing with children, teaching them educational. My work experience as a domestic helper here in Philippines 2019 to 2023, 4 years. I serve 4 members of the family, 1-year-old boy and a 3 years old boy, 2 adult, 70 years old, healthy elderly, and 37 years old. My main duties are to take good care of the children, cleaning the house, laundry, ironing, washing, marketing, cooking, and others. And I also work now in mall as a sales associate 2024 up to present. My main duties are to promote the products and assist the customers' needs. I am very much interested to work in Hong Kong because it's the safest country. I want to earn money and save and to help my family needs. Before I will end this introduction, let me sing this song, Mom and Sir. I hope you like it. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. To my future employer, please choose me as your domestic helper because I am a trustworthy, loving children, patient, kind, responsible, and God-fearing. I promise I'll be a good domestic helper and I promise to take good care of your children as my own and to serve you as my own family. Mom and sir, thank you so much. I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. God bless.